Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat ug maayong adlaw, Cebu! Hi everybody! So today's video is i-share ko sa inyo ang aking isang linggong pag-ibig. Charot, isang linggong pagtatrabaho. So guys, ito ang town or ang waterfront ng Riva ng Truger. So matatanaw mo guys, ito ang center ng tourismo talaga. So waterfront siya o Riva. So matatanaw dito yung mga restaurant, mga souvenir shops, coffee shops, lahat-lahat guys. So very relaxing. As well as your nature view, mesmerized talaga guys. At saka picturesque. So ito na nga, dumating na ako sa aking unang trabaho dahil panghapon ako guys. 5 oras ako sa isang araw, Lunes to Biyernes. So 2 araw ang aking walang pasok. So ayan na, na-amaze si Angela at namimiss namin ang isa't isa. Ayan, hug and kiss to the max. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Good day, world. So we're gonna write the sample. This one need to put price. So akong trabaho diri guys, mausar akong trabaho sa balay. This one is 3. Nagalibig na ko nila do. So mag-price tayo. This one with my. This one 5. This one is 5. Ate-ate lagi jumpa badai. Okay, this one. Job is end. It's 9, so 4 to 9. Nabaguhan ko sa kapoy. Bok. Nabaguhan ko sa kapoy. Uf. Bahala na. Okay. 2018 pa man to ni trabaho ko niya. Karon 2024. So, how many years na stop work? So, grabe akong kakapoy. No, normal. Bok.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top. We're gonna
Alas 4 na. Alas 4 na, nagkape pa. Mapakasugod trabaho, nagkape na. So, I'm work. This is the... So, malapit lang siya. Dito lang siya, malapit. Ayan aking mga kapitbahay. Hi, Bok! Dumardan. Yeah, 3 doosan. Bok. So, they visit my friends. Hello, tita!
How are you?
Lipasi!
Wow.
I like your lipstick, ha? Color.
The flesh is still one, shining in color rubber.
Castle. So nice here, guys. After work, so at 8:15 hayag pa. So hayag pa siya. Kamerlinggo ka, nice sa Kamerlinggo. Oh. Ang tata, Angela. And for rent, magre-rent ka ng mga bike. Ang ganda. Hala, tata again. Kava, Mama Pupu. Miss Linda Tuini Oredo because Mama Maitza is Philippines, and then I'm the Kuwait. Uy. Restaurant. Party. Diba nice here, Capicho. And restaurant.
Today it's
Friday. That is that.
last day fast food.
Really?
Yes.
So it's already. Nice return po.
No thinking.
Okay, so try them all the chef pizza. Karpizza. Okay, netre basta bit karpizza. So like this, I need to, and so it's gonna be go up. Need to put the, yeah, piso predaleko. Hala festival, yes, the Babarol festival, ayan. Papa, we're gonna go home. Danas mama ni Bash po na YouTube mo. I was in stock room, you know, but yes, so try di mo rin mo plage. Kupat mo. Angela flap. Autobus ni Kolodor. Dobro došli. Vidimo se.